Rome, or in the language of saints, Roma, is not a city of ruins. It's an altar. Look upon these stones. This is the battlefield where Holy Mother Church was forged in fire. The martyrs did not debate the truth. They defended it with their blood. As a scientist, I see the precision of life. As a believer, I see the glory of sacrifice. We are the few who remain, the Church, as St. Paul taught us, the heirs to a heroic lineage. Stand firm. You belong to the rock that does not move. To understand this mission, we must go deeper. I've spent my life studying the intricate systems of medical physiology, the heartbeat, the breath, the neural pathways of the soul. But science, without the perennial magisterium, is a body without a soul. This is the great restoration. We are bridging the gap between high science and true Catholic tradition. From the precision of medical physiology to the dogmatic clarity of the Council of Trent, Vatican I, St. Augustine, St. Jerome, St. Thomas, and the Church Fathers, the truth is one. It is uninterrupted. Freely have ye received, freely give. I offer this not for merit, but for the counter-revolution. We must preserve our holy Catholic faith, whole and entire, from the blood-stained sands of the Vatican Circus to the lecture halls of today. As for me, a poor sinner, a lowly servant, the least of all, and unworthy to be called a servant, any distinction I hold is by the grace of God alone. I seek only this, to stand with you, to defend our holy Catholic faith, respectfully, fiercely, until my very last breath. In nomine Patris, et Filii, et Spiritus Sancti. Amen.